Hey everybody, this is Tim again. I just want to take a minute and show you some right hand picking techniques and some right hand techniques, period, for different textures, for different situations when you're playing. Like you may find yourself in a situation where the groove is, and you need to be saying, there's two ways you can do that. Sometimes you may be in a situation where you need this. And sometimes you may be in a situation where you need to have it muted. The mute is actually happening with the right hand cutting off the tone at the base of the bridge here, right here. You can't mute way up here because you just cut off sound from the whole guitar. So what I've always done is kept my hand close to the base of the bridge so I can get either sound when I need it. You may find yourself in a situation where you need same thing, or it's the striking. How do you strike? But at the same time, when you're striking, you also need to have your muting technique together on your left hand. Because if when I'm striking soft and I just need a soft tone, I can control. But when I need to get that hard spanking sound coming through, I need to be able to mute all of the strings. So the only thing that's ringing is the string I'm hitting. Because if you don't have that left hand muting technique right, you'll sound like this. Which means you'll be off the gig before you even get to the second verse. But so it's always two things you have to have in control of: your right hand, left hand coordination. And we spend a lot of time talking about the left hand, but you need to have some right hand technique. And there's another thing too. You may see guys do a lot of strumming sometime. And you want your strumming to be like butter, as opposed to, you're just real tight and your wrist is not moving. It sounds like this. Just no beauty about it. What I did as a young guitarist, I would just sit there and just strum like I was trying to butter some bread. Nothing musical about it, just trying to develop that right hand technique. So it's that strumming sound. Just make it like you're buttering bread or putting paint or on the wall or making a painting or whatever. But just want that real flowing right hand with your wrist. I'll be putting more videos up about right hand technique because they are so important. You hear different tones, you say, how's that guy getting that? A lot of that is done in the right hand. I hope this was helpful for you.